Replace worn-out flapper scuppers. The Flow Max Ball Scupper features multiple mounting openings to make retrofits quick and easy, no filling holes or re-drilling. Improved drainage. Self-bailing scupper drain features a larger exit hole that offers up to 70% more drainage than other boat scuppers. Keep your cockpit and deck dry. Boat scupper ball uses neutral buoyancy to ensure a tight seal and eliminate the possibility of water flowing back into the drainage lines. Easy cleaning. Self-draining scupper features a new twist-off design that makes cleaning out excess debris a snap. Installation. Scupper seal is slotted to fit over 1-1/4 motorwell tubes and includes a safety screw to keep valve in place. Installation will require tapered head screws. Top reviews from the United States. Finally, a dry deck while fishing. My cockpit deck drains are just about at waterline when there are two of us standing in the stern fishing. Water would seep past the two rubber flapper valves on the transom and we'd end up standing in a puddle. Since I installed these, the deck has stayed dry all the time. Even looking down into the through deck fitting, there is no water collecting down there, so these little goobers are watertight. And when you need the deck to drain, it drains way faster than past the old flappers. I just bought a third on in case I lose one of the balls while cleaning.